Nestled in the hillside with amazing ocean views, park views, golf course views, and hillside views, you can't beat the location of our newest listing. Situated on an oversized pie-shaped lot with pristine landscaping, you can enjoy the Tuscan-inspired garden or transform this backyard to your very own oasis with a large pool. However, right across the street, you have the Tierra Grande Park and Talega Swim Club with access to the community pools, sports courts, and fields. The largest master plan community in San Clemente, Talega offers resort-style living with tremendous amenities, including an 18-hole golf course, tennis courts, clubhouse, parks and tot lots, 4 pools, and events year-round. If you're looking for value and an unparalleled lifestyle, this is it. So stop what you're doing, call me now to set an appointment to see this property. It won't last long.